Beautiful.
Yay!
Hello, everyone.
Christmas. Yay! So we're gonna bring forward beautiful full moon. I love it. Your smile just lights up the room, Cara. It's so beautiful. We're gonna bring forward a dismantling. That's been big in my
You're so
realm,
sweet.
in my realm. And so the dismantling is of everything, all the contracts that we came in this life for, that we're done with. We're just gonna go through a deep wow, they're just, I could feel the energy just running through me already. So we're going to breathe right now. Breathe in through your nose. And if you want to start with the breath chorus, that'll be beautiful.
Beautiful. Start to feel into your internal landscape. And when you breathe in through the nose, we're going to send that breath all the way down into your solar plexus in your belly and allow it to expand. And then when you feel it radiating out, you open mouth, exhale, and release. And as we breathe in this golden light, the light all around you that surrounds you, from your light family and your light beings who are always here. Just breathe in that love. And then on to, we're going to release that from our body. And as we start to dismantle, we dismantle any negativity, any patterns we're holding on to. And we allow ourselves to just be present in this moment. So wherever your hands feel comfortable, whether you'd like to bring a hand to your heart and one to the belly, palms face up if you're looking to receive, or palms face down if you're looking to ground. There are no wrong answers. So whatever feels good for you in this moment, honor that. And we'll continue on with this breath as we breathe in through the nose, filling up the belly, and open mouth, exhale, releasing. Breathing in the light, breathing out fear, breathing in love, breathing out anger. Now we'll start to breathe in through our nose and out through our nose, creating a little heat in our body with our Ujjayi breath. And for 1 minute, we're going to go into the breath of fire. And this is going to allow us to release all the stuck energy in our body. So all you're going to do is breathe in through your nose and out through your nose as fast as you can and as deep as you can into the belly. Okay, and you're going to start to feel tingles and different sensations in your body, and that is normal because energy is moving. The energy wants to come alive. So it starts like this. So begin with me whenever you're ready. Feel that body pumping straight in the belly through the nose. And keep this going. We're going to be here for a full minute. You're going to start to pump that energy out of you. And if you start to get dizzy, if anything comes up and you need to take a breath, that's okay. Honor that and come back to it when you're ready. You're doing really great. Keep going. Keep going. Honor this. Feel that energy pumping in your belly. This could be a little bit uncomfortable. Stick with it. Stick with it. Honor yourself. Let all that stuck energy come all the way out of your belly. Let it come out all the way from your root chakra, in through the sacral chakra, through the belly, in through the heart, up through the throat. Feel it in your third eye. Feel it in your crown chakra. Let it swirl throughout your body. Keep it going. We're here for 30 more seconds. Keep going. You're almost there. You're going to start to feel a little bit hot. You're going to feel maybe a little clammy in the hands. That is normal. Keep this going. You're almost through this. You're powerful. You are divine. Stick through it. You got it. Here we go. 10 more seconds. Breathe in. Hold it at the top. Gather all the tension in your belly. Squeeze every muscle. Oh. And then when you can't hold your breath anymore, you exhale. Let it go. Oh, that was really, really good. Really good. Ooh. So anything you're feeling right now, my wings are tingling, you know. We hold a lot of stuck energy in our solar plexus and our place of personal power. So it's so important, even when it's hard to get through that breath, to just stick with it and allow it to release. All right, so now we're gonna allow our breath to be, we're gonna do our inhales for a count of 8 and our exhales for a count of 10. If that's a little bit too long for you, inhale for a count of 6 and exhale for a count of 8. So we want our exhales to be a little longer than our inhales. So we'll begin here. So inhale for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it at the top. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fully in, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold. Fully exhale. 7, 8, 9, 10. One more just like that. Inhale, big breath in, fully in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it. Fully exhale, release. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Take a moment to catch your breath. Inhale, big breath in. And exhale. Let's go again. Inhale, big breath in. And open mouth. Exhale, make a little noise. Release. So beautiful. Now we're going to go full 2 minutes. Inhale through the belly. You froze for a second, my love.
We hear you.
Are you there, Vickie?
We are filling into the energy here. The beloved channel has stepped aside. We are scanning each individual as they are stepping forward. Do you not feel your body that this beautiful car has brought you to? Thank you, beloved.
My honor.
It is an honor. the energy that you are participating in yourself, your soul self. You can feel the energy system of your body turned on. This beautiful, beautiful full moon that is here for each and every one of you is helping for the assistance of the disanimal, this word, dismantling of all of you. Many of you have let the layers shed from your systems. Keep saying, I am done. You are done. Each one of you are noticing a freedom coming from maybe the shadow side, the underneath of you. It is your endings. It is the light at the end of the tunnel. As you allow yourself to dismantle from everything you are, it turns you to nothing. In the nothingness, you will discover all you are. There is no attachments here. You know that you are it. You are feeling this in your beingness now. Your cells are in remembrance of being here. It activates your system by tuning into your soul self in a clearer way. Your illusions, even the light beings, the light workers, how they see themselves, who they think they are. It is beautiful. But you must let go of that also. Most of it is not who you are. Many of you are moving into a more resident state of your multiverse being. That's who you are. You are radiating this out. Through this next month, we will bring this forth. This beloved channel, and many have been feeling this huge surprise coming in all different ways, and it is already happening on this very movement as you are sitting here, as all that there is here now. So while you are sitting here, scan your body. What has attached to self that you are done with? Even the doneness of letting go. Feel it in your body now. As you allow yourself to move into a more multiverse being, you will notice you are nothing and everything. This is a confusing statement, we understand. But to dismantle all you are is to realize all those parts of you is a fractal created by you, a story. And you're returning from those stories into the multiverse being of yourself, free from those stories. Here to create new stories and journeys. All you're learning, all you're being, all you are, if you ask now for a complete dismantling, those who do not believe they need a dismantling, you need it more than you know. This dismantling can be carried on through your years. If you choose not to see who you are in the nothingness. Here, right now, where you sit, as these two beloved channels, and us, the multiverse being of this beloved channel, is merging with your multiverse being, even if you are watching this later out, for the attention has already been set. An old way of things, of how they worked, does no longer work here. In your breath, in your body, it is filling all you are. It is easy when we come forward. We drop to your multiverse drops into you. As you are dismantling, we are in congratulations for all the light that you have been brought forward in each life, and the darkness also. We are in congratulations for both what you brought forward in all the lifetimes that you have ever lived. And yes, you have lived many lifetimes. Those who are beginning will never connect to this. They are not ready, for they are enjoying themselves right now. If you are watching this, you are an ancient being. You set the stories up before, and they are ending now. And it is the congratulations of your journeys on that past. You are done. Not that you won't have movements. Movements expand you, what you call as chaos. It does not need to be used as chaos, but as movement. Because each thing takes you and moves you to you. What is going on here? When something is before you, how do you feel in your body? Are you in the box? Disconnected from your source self? You can do this momentarily, walk in and out of the box. You are learning to balance that state of you. Each thing is showing you you. Each thing is moving you. The celebration that has taken place here, globally, it is a celebration. You may see it as destruction in your collective by what is going on in the world. That is only one potential. We are asking now, this beautiful chorus, if there are any questions.
Yes, hello. Hi, sweet multiverse. Oh, sorry. I wanted to know, we are off, you always talk about the nothingness, right? Which is also, for if people do not know, the 0 point or being present in every moment. But we have been told before to dream of the life we want, to daydream, to imagine a beautiful life. And but then wouldn't that take us out of our nothingness? So where's the balance there?
The balance is when you, and this is a perfect question, so thank you.
Mm-hmm.
When you are focusing upon something and you are in the state of the nothingness, you feel it, you be it, you know you don't need to go into action state for it to create itself. When you are in a place and you are getting, we say, aha moments,
Mm-hmm.
but you are getting those aha moments of movements, your energy is not so grounded. So then you start to create there in that energy. And what that brings forward is turbulence. For you are visualizing it, making it happen, putting the action into works to make it happen, and realizing the resistance of that happening. Do you understand this?
I do. I do. And those of us that have aha moments constantly, how do we decide what we should go full force with, what's really coming from spirit and what is our own ego?
This is a great example and a perfect question once again. When you are in the state and your body feels calm and you get those aha moments, you feel it. When you're in the state of movement, and not that you do not receive both, as you are learning to acclimate into the present state of your days, that is being in the nothingness. You are present every moment. So those aha moments are showing you a glimpse. Aye, this is happening. Aye. And then you feel it. You feel it becoming. And then it becomes in the physical. When you are getting aha moments and you are not in your present state, and you instantly want to run to create the movement of it, feel your body. Does it feel resistance? Oh yes, I want to create this, but I feel a little twinge of resistance. Do you notice the difference here, beloved?
I do.
That is your knowing. When you are in your creating state, which you always are if you are in your balanced state of your present moments, there's no resistance, not even twinge. And there's no middleman needed. Even this beloved channel, she struggles with this. We smile big, for that's what most of you do. I am so used to creating it, the aha moments. Now you are moving back into a flow moment, and you are noticing that when you are moving, trying to create, it hurts your body. This is what this beloved channel is discovering. The boxes she's walking into and out of. That is your dismantling. Your triggers show you your boxes. They show you how you box yourself in. Cut yourself off from your source. Did we explain this?
Yes, beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I had a question about me and Vickie, and I'm sure a ton of other people are experiencing a lot of pain in our body right now. And we do understand that we signed up to take these things on for the collective as light workers. And I'm just wondering if there is a point in time coming up soon where this will all subside and we no longer have to take on other people's pain in our own bodies.
First, let's bring forward you're not bringing other people's energy and holding it for very long. If it is for very long, that is yours. So somebody may spark that pain in you, but it does not hold in your energetic field for very, especially when your vibration and your layers have been cleared. So say somebody may have sparked this pain in your hip area. You may be thinking that it is them, I'm still feeling them, but it is not so accurate. Things that hold on to you are you. And as you are holding them on, it is showing you for rest, to rest into the pain. Sometimes there is messages in the pain, but mostly it is just to love that area that is transforming into a lighter area of itself. Many of you, this beloved channel, Miss Chorus, many who are here right now watching this at their own time, have laid lineages through the collective. You are collective changers. You are connecting into the collective changers now. What we mean is, many of you, each time you come forward, when you come forward in a life's physical being, you change the collective. Now, many beings do change the collective, but it is not such as a conscious level. You are conscious collective changers. So as you recognize your body, oh, I have pain, it is time to rest. It is time to just love that pain and what it is transforming into. You can call upon your own guides or assistance through attunements and others. This does assist you. And in assisting you, also too, with attunements, a breaking open happens also. For old injuries, old lifetimes that are coming forward that are part of you, it breaks that lineages, but you still feel the pain of it. As you are connecting into one attunement to the next attunement, it will open and close, for it is bringing you to a higher placement of yourself. Do not feel your energetic system right now heating up. It's heating up into a way that your cells, your singular cells, are remembrance to the multiverse of all it's ever been. So it fills your entirety of all lifetimes that you have ever been. Now these cells are transforming into a new way of being with resistance for you are not listening to your body. Do you understand this, beloved?
I do. I understand. Thank
Beautiful.
you.
There is a coldness that is running through this beloved channel system. As she was heating up, and you might be aware of this in your own physical bodies, how it heats up and cools itself down. When you are returning to your multiverse being, You are allowing everything to run in its connective potential of itself. So your cells, your being, your body, your avatar body is returning to its original to move through the next process of the wave. Each one of you are doing that here today. If you're paying attention to your energy on this beautiful full moon or later out, I am aware. And that is your present state. If I need to rest for even 5 minutes to love the pain in my body, so it be. There is nothing for you to do but love you. Thank you. Beautiful chorus.
I love you guys so much.
We see you. And many that are watching this, we see you. You're not hiding. You're igniting. We are with you always. Pay attention to how you move through your present state. That's what you are learning. How to be present. The breath. Tapping. Be present. It takes you there instantly. I thank you.
Oh, beautiful.
My whole body is sweating, but I got cold chills all over my body. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we did this. We got it. We got it. Man, we got it. It was like I could see all these light beings all over the world just tapping in. Thank you, Karas.
Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you
I
for
love
always
you.
being here for me.
You got it. So if you want to get a sound healing or something from Karas, you can email her, or you can email me, Vickie Crystalline, for channeling. We both do the same and different things. So it's so beautiful all the way around. So
and get an attunement from Vickie, because that it's life-changing. My pains are completely subsided. So
it's so funny. I felt my just like light up and my arms and everything. Wow, how beautiful. Look, I got chills everywhere. Beautiful.
well, everybody have a blessed full moon, and we will be in ceremony tonight. If anybody would like to join us, please email Vickie, or you can DM me on my Instagram at Blissful Gangster, and I will send you the link. It is donation based, so everybody is welcome. We love you all so much. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Carl.